Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to set gender preferences on Tinder. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Tinder, and if you put it like your preference, your gender preference in the wrong way, so to correct it you have just to go and click on profile in the bottom right of the screen. After that, click on settings on the top right of the screen. After that, scroll down a little bit until you will find an option called show me option. Click on it, and as you can see here, you will have three preferences: woman, man, or everyone. So if you want to see only woman, you put woman. If you want to see man, you put man. And if you want to see everyone, you can just set it on everyone. I hope that you like this video. If you like that video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to like this video, and see you in the next one.